Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we open black color and now we draw the letter of A, the alphabet of A. Now we draw B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg. Kids, now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. Kids, subscribe to our channel. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the alphabet of K. And the next one is L. L for lion. Now we draw M. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Now we draw W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Kids, now we draw Y. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we coloring numbers. First we use yellow color. And now we coloring numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last one is 10. TEN 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.